Now, please welcome our next presenter, Chris Gibbs-Stewart from Ostmine.
My name is Chris Gibbs-Stewart, CEO of Ostmine, and I'm delighted to be joining you today to present the Premier's New South Wales Export Awards. For over 30 years, Ostmine has been bringing international opportunities to our members. We are very proud to represent the Australian met sector, a world-leading $18 billion industry that has a footprint that spans the globe. I'd now like to present the finalists of the Minerals, Energy and Related Services Award. The award is for outstanding international success in the production, processing, and value adding of extractive resources or provision of equipment, services, and technologies related to mining, oil and gas, and renewables. And the finalists are
Pyrosales produces a range of temperature sensors used for the monitoring and control of industry processes, specialising in custom engineered products and tailored to customer service.
Pyrosales was established in 1974 and is a manufacturer of industrial thermometers. We have from the early days of the company been involved in export and have continued that emphasis over the 5 decades we've been in business.